Right here?
Like right there. I hate you actually. Since
I don't want to go down there.
I was just saying, like not too far down, just like a little bit. And then
I'm just gonna do it from like right here. Yeah. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Yeah. God, you going again?
Yeah. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Alright, so I guess I gotta do it again. So this is the second snowstorm of 2026, and it's pretty cold out here, so we're supposed to get more snow next weekend. I don't remember, what day is it? January 20, what is it, 20, I don't, what's today's date?
6.
It's 26, okay. Anyway, this goes out to Corella, Seven Lions, fucking a lot of EDM artists I've listened to over the years. Always Sunny, recent years. Yeah, and this is my episode of Jackass, and I got Poe the Legend behind camera. He's a cool artist, does like a lot of like cool like grunge music. I don't know what to describe it as, but it's really cool music. And yeah, so I'm gonna go down